In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix Studio without needing any code. So whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, this guide will help you bring a unique touch to your site. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix Studio, which is the web platform built specifically for agencies and enterprises. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to locate the Login section. It's usually easily accessible, so click on it. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with various sign-in options, but to streamline this process, select Continue with Google. This method is fast and secure, leveraging your existing Google credentials to grant you access. Once logged in, it's time to open the editor panel. Look for a small arrow on the right side of the screen and click it to reveal the panel. Now in this panel, you'll notice a cursor option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin customizing the look and feel of your cursor. Moving forward, you'll see an option to add image or .svg. Select this to upload your custom design. This feature is vital as it allows you to personalize the cursor to suit your website's theme. For an extra touch of creativity, choose Use Vector Art to liven up your site. Vector Art adds a sleek and modern appearance without compromising image quality. Next, click on Upload Media. This is where you'll upload the image or SVG file you'd like to use as your custom cursor. If you already have a file prepared, simply select it from your computer. For demonstration, let's click on Palm, which is a predefined design option available. With your selection made, click on Add to Site to integrate the custom cursor into your website. You're almost done. Finally, make sure the highlight feature is selected. This step is essential because it ensures your new custom cursor has the desired visual impact, highlighting elements as it moves over them on your web pages. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've added a custom cursor effect to your site in Wix Studio, entirely without code. Remember, these little details can greatly enhance user experience and make your website unforgettable. Don't hesitate to experiment with different designs until you find the perfect match for your site's style. Thanks for watching and happy designing.